Gandhi Jayanti quiz. Where did Gandhi go in 1909? London. Satyagraha means literally truth force. When did Gandhiji take the vow of Brahmacharya of celibacy of life? 1906. Where did Gandhiji receive his primary education? Rajkot. Mahatma means great soul. In which year Champaran Satyagraha started by Gandhi in India? 1970. In protest of what injustice did Gandhi organize a hartal on April 6, 1919? The Rowlatt Act. In which year Rowlatt Act introduced? 1990. What did Gandhiji mean by Swaraj? Freedom for the meanest of the countrymen. When did Gandhiji get his head shaved, discard his clothes, and settle for a lolling cloth? 1921. In which year civil disobedience movement started by Gandhi in India? 1930. Why did Gandhi go to India in 1901 to attend the Indian National Congress? Who inspired Gandhi with Ramna in his childhood? Rambadai. What was the profession of Gandhiji's father? Diwan. Who is the author of Gandhiji's favorite Bhajan Vishwa Jana to Ten Khai? Nasri Mehta. Who asked Gandhiji to eat meat in order to become strong? Shagat Mehta. In which year did Gandhiji pass his matriculation in England? 1890. Who said about Gandhi, generations to come will scarce believe that such a one as this walked the earth is flesh and blood? Albert Einstein. What was the name of Gandhiji's domestic help? Rambadai. Which institution did Gandhiji join as a member during his stay in England? Vegetarian Society. Gandhiji accorded very high priority to communal harmony in his program of actions. At which place did he undertake his last fast for it on January 13th, 1948, Delhi? When was Mahatma Gandhi arrested? During the Quit India movement, 1942, 9th August 1942. What was the name of Gandhi's sister? Raliet. At which year the Indian National Congress did Gandhiji preside as the president at Belgaum? 1924. Which places did Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India? Champaran. Which book influenced Gandhi greatly? Which he read in England? Plea for Vegetarianism. October 2nd, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, is the internationally observed as Non-Violence Day. In which year the Gandhi Irwin Pact signed? 1931. Which mythological character impressed Gandhiji for life when he saw a play on his life? Harishchandra. During the non-cooperation movement, which award did Gandhiji return? Kaiser-i-Hind. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi finally return to India from South Africa? 1915. In which year the United Nations General Assembly declared Gandhiji's birthday 2nd October as International Day of Non-Violence? 2007. Who described Gandhiji's march to Dandi in the following words? Like the historic March of Ramchandra to Lanka, the March of Gandhi will be a memorable. Motilal Nehru. The first recipient of International Gandhi Peace Prize, Julius Nyerere. How old was Gandhi when he shot dead by Nathuram Godse on January 13, 1948? 78. In May 1916, Gandhiji was invited to speak to laying of the foundation stone of which university? Banaras Hindu University. To represent which company Justice Gandhiji go to Durban, South Africa in 1893? Daba Abdullah and Co. The Champaran administration is associated with which plants? Indigo. At which railway station was Gandhi thrown out of the train on his way to Pretoria? Pietermaritzburg. Gandhiji's day of death is celebrated as Matri's Day. In which moments did Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? Ahmedabad strike 1918. Which was Gandhiji's nickname in childhood? Manu or Monia. Which spelling did Gandhi spell wrong as a child when the school inspector gave dictation to the class? Kettle. How many times did Mahatma Gandhi nominated for Nobel Prize? 5 times. How old was Gandhi when his father died? 16. Name the only Congress session which was the president by Mahatma Gandhi. Belgaum session. Mahatma Gandhi's father Karamchand was for some time Prime Minister in Rajkot, Porbandar and Wankaner, who led to extremists before the arrival of Gandhi on the political scene for India's freedom struggle. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The money needed for Mahatma Gandhi's journey and for his expenses in England were raised through loan from a friend. What did Gandhi go to England to do study after his father's death? Law. The differences with Gandhi led Subhash Chandra Bose to resign the presidentship of the Indian National Congress in 1839. After this, he formed a new party called Forward Bloc, which round-table conferences was attended by Mahatma Gandhi. Second, in which year Gandhi published the Green Pamphlet? 1896. Mahatma Gandhi passed the London Metric in 1819 in the month of June. To how many years of imprisonment was Mahatma Gandhi sentenced for the first time in India? 6. Mahatma Gandhi was named by Time magazine's Person of the Year in 1930. Why did Gandhi go to South Africa? Indian merchants in the lawsuit. In which year Ahmedabad strike movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? 1918. How many children did Putlibai have? 4. 1 daughter and 3 sons. How old was Gandhi when he went to London? 22. In relation to which of the following did Gandhi use the phrase post-dated check on the crashing bank? Chris Mission. In which year Gandhi go to the South Africa? 1893. When was Mahatma Gandhi called to the bar, thus become a full-fledged barrister? June 10, 1891. The Indian Francis Bill in Natal was intended to deprive all Indians of the right to vote. Which year K. Satyagraha started by Gandhi in India? 1918. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement? With Gandhiji, Sarojini Naidu. Gandhiji's inspiration for the civil disobedience came from the writings of Henry David Thoreau. Gandhi organized Dandi March in 1913 against imposition of tax on salt. In which year did Gandhi leave South Africa for the last time? Answer 1914. In which year was the Satyagraha Ashramam founded? 1915. What event occurred on April 13, 1919? The implementation of the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji first organized mass non-cooperation with the British in the year 1920. Whose was victory in March 1922 when Gandhi was arrested? Lord Ready. In what year was the Declaration of Independence for India published? 1947. What important act passed Parliament in 1935? The Government of India Act. When did World War II begin? Who wrote home this word after his first meeting with Gandhiji? Mr. Gandhiji's religious and moral views are, I believe, admirable, but I confess that I find it difficult to understand the practice of them in politics. Lord Reading. Gandhiji, the votary of non-violence, was shot dead on January 13, 1948 at Birla House, New Delhi, shortly after 5 p.m. while going to the prayer meeting, which was the fateful day of the week, Friday. Thank you.